Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at the market scans for our leading stocks for this coming session. This is going to be for Wednesday, May 15th, 2013. Got a fairly decent session going here with most of the major averages higher on the day. But we do have a mix of signals here. It's not universal. We've got some to buy and some to sell. Biogen's having a very strong day. That's got a open close deviation. That's 3% above the day's open. You can also see a pretty strong day here in eBay, entertainment, arts, up about 2% or more there. Very weak day for BlackBerry, down 4.5% below the day's open and on a volume bump. A couple of those are all names I'll have on the list for tomorrow. Looking at the financials are definitely very strong today, and we're seeing that in the scans as well, with most of these names indicated with high probability follow through with these CPS buy signals. A couple of volume bumps here. We've got one in Citigroup and also another one in Goldman Sachs. The Goldman Sachs also has that open close deviation warning to the upside. We also have that condition present in Met and Morgan Stanley. Energy names a little less exciting. Not really any real bias of signals for sure. I've got some that are trading a little bit better and some that are trading a little bit worse, and none of them are really on any notable volume. The generals are kind of uneventful here. A little bit. There's a couple of buys and a couple of sells, but nothing with any kind of a real bias to it. None of the stocks with the signals have any volume bumps, unfortunately. Housing names a little bit better to buy. Don't have any sell signals here. Pretty decent performance across the board, but no volume bumps there. In the transports, we do have a volume bump in dry ships, which having a weak session. Very low price stock though. Commodities also these are a little bit better to buy. Silver, wheat, and FCX and U.S. Steel all have buy indications, while Newmont has a downside CPS signal. Newmont's trading very light volume, which kind of indicates that these things are finally starting to get a bit washed out down here. So when they're producing follow through signals and it's on very light volume, that usually implies that there's been a lot of volume already wrung out of these. A lot of sellers have already done what they need to do, and now they're just waiting for that final exhaustion. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.